In the field of truck parts, the quality of leaf springs is closely related to transportation safety and efficiency. Our factory has advanced production lines and exquisite craftsmanship. From the careful selection of raw materials to the production of finished products, every step is strictly controlled. We fully support customized services. Whether it involves special sizes, unique load-bearing requirements, or elasticity design suited to different road conditions, we can customize the most suitable leaf springs for your needs.